For better living, are you feeling good tonight? This thing got me thinking of life.
Hey guys, so for today's video we're going to be using Bobbi Boss Faux Locks Sole and Free Tress Deep Twist in 22 inches in the color 1B. As you can see, we've already done the back portion and the opposite side of her hair, and I'm just going to be showing you guys a really brief tutorial. So first thing you want to do is part the hair, and we're going to be doing big parting for this look, and we're just doing the upside down parts to make everything fall naturally. And after you've parted the hair, we're going to be taking that deep twist hair to braid the hair. You're going to braid it from roots to tip. When you get to the tip, you can either braid it all the way down or you can twist it when you get to the bottom, but it doesn't really matter as long as you have covered her natural hair inside of the dip twist hair. So when you have covered the hair, this is what it should look like. As you can see, the parts are quite large. I wish I actually parted them bigger so that way we didn't have to use so much locks. I would recommend parting your hair a little bit bigger than this if possible. So yeah, this is what it should look like. I've already installed the back crochet, so we're just going to be focusing on this front section, and I'll just do like a quick 1 or 2 sample, and then we'll close out this video. So we're just going to be inserting the latch hook through, pulling the crochet braids underneath the base of the braiding hair, and tying the knot using the free tress hair. Now instead of unwrapping the locks, we're going to be putting our latch hook through the crochet lock, and what this is going to do is just make sure that it keeps the lock intact instead of unraveling it, because when you unravel it, yes, it will snap back, but it'll kind of make the hair get fuzzy quicker. So in order to avoid that, just insert the latch hook through the bottom and then just pull the crochet hair when you get to, you know, halfway. So you're not gonna just get all the, you're not gonna insert the latch hook from the bottom of the crochet hair to the top. You're just gonna do it section by section. You do like maybe 3 inches and then pull the hair, do another 3 inches, pull the hair, because that's how much it allows you to do because of the length of the crochet latch hook. So yeah, you're just gonna be, you know, section not section you're just gonna, like, you know, section it off so that way you can work faster, I guess. But yeah, don't rush it, just take your time. You know, you're gonna probably do the same step like 5 times per crochet hair, so just kind of pace yourself is what I'm trying to say. So when you get to the bottom, this is how you secure it. You just take a little string of hair and you're gonna tie a knot, but before you secure that knot, you're gonna take your glue. Now the glue I'm going to be using for this tutorial is the Gorilla Super Glue. And I'm going to show you guys, I have not pulled the hair to secure the knot. I'm just going to be putting a drop of that super glue. And then after I put that drop of the glue, I'm just going to be pulling that one string of hair to secure the knot over where I just placed the glue. So we'll see, pulling it, it's going to make sure that that glue gets right where the knot is going to be created. So we're going to do this again, and I'm going to let you guys watch it and see for yourself. And yeah, I'll catch you guys when we get to the end. So now that you're done, this is what it should look like. Very nice, very clean. This is a really like quick hairstyle to do. It doesn't take very long. Took me approximately 3 to 4 hours to do. I guess now that I think of it, it actually does take a little bit of time, but it's still quicker than the regular method regardless, so you're still saving quite a bit of time, so, and pain, not to mention, so, and money actually, because it's more expensive to buy Marley hair than crochet hair. So yeah, that's the benefit of the individual crochet locks, and I hope this tutorial was clear and straight to the point for you guys. Yeah, make sure you give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, and leave a comment. Let me know what you think of this hairstyle, and then we will see you guys next week. Not next week, I'll probably come back again on Friday to upload another video, but yeah, we'll keep in touch. Love you guys. Bye.